A very good morning, everyone else. So the geoscientist exam happened yesterday on 9th, and basically after talking to the people who gave the exam and were in the preparatory phase, so there is this one conclusion: GS as compared to 2024 paper was bit organized and bit easier as compared to that side, because last year the paper was very in the GS was very difficult. So it was organized and it was easier. Now talking about the geology. So geology had some change in the pattern. There were questions like different kinds of questions were introduced, as if how there were six statements, and out of six statements, one, two, three, four, and five, six, these were opposite of each other. Okay, so you need to be very thorough while answering them, because six statements देखने के बाद अब आपके पेज पे अगर इतना लंबा क्वेश्चन होगा, so anyone can get hurdle. For the first time, people felt कि okay, 2 hours were not enough because it required so much analysis, depth in analysis. So yeah, that was the thing. So multiple six-liner questions were introduced. Also, like we had some changes. How the sedimentary portion that we always had, low to moderate, now it was tough. That was something that people faced, a bit of a challenge. And talking about the economic geology, it's the same thing. Physical geology में we had this one liner question पहले. Now it was like 12 के 12 questions जो हैं आपके multiple line questions थे. So वहाँ पे भी आपका in depth analysis था. Okay, now sorry. So talking about the GS paper. So what we have felt is कि there was balance in the questions. It was organized how 20 questions physics, almost 20 questions chemistry, 20 questions biology, 20 questions ecology, 80 questions are done. Now the remaining were history, polity, and geography. However, geography we can include in that. Okay, so it was almost 90 to 95 questions to any portions. So if you are preparing, then you should know that we have physics, chemistry, biology, ecology and geography मिला के आपके 30-40 क्वेश्चन होंगे. तो ऑलमोस्ट आपके 80 से 90 क्वेश्चन तो इसी पोर्शन से आते हैं. तो ये आपके लिए थोड़ा सा आसान हो गया कि आपको इन्हीं चीज़ पे फोकस करना है. आप थोड़ा सा सेटल्ड हो गया. नाउ ओके, सो दिस ऑल दैट वी हैव एनालाइज्ड. कट ऑफ के बारे में इट्स रियली अनप्रिडिक्टेबल बिकॉज वी हैड 188 कट ऑफ लास्ट ईयर एंड बिफोर दैट ईयर वी हैड 128 कट ऑफ. सो वी हैड टोटल 60 मार्क्स गैप. हालांकि सीट्स का भी बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क है, बट 60 मार्क्स इज़ लाइक वे टू मच. तो वी डोंट नो कि अभी क्या होगा, क्योंकि अगर हम जियोलॉजी की सीट लगाए तो पिछली बार तो 37 सीट्स पे 188 कट ऑफ थी जनरल कैटेगरी की, और अगर हम अब देखें तो सिर्फ 16 सीट है आपके 25 वाले, उसमें सिर्फ जियोलॉजी की बता रही हूँ मैं. तो कट ऑफ तो फिर ऑलमोस्ट अगर पेपर अगर थोड़ा सा मुश्किल आया है तो कट ऑफ थोड़ी सी इतनी ही रह सकती है, या इससे ज़्यादा सकती है, इससे कम तो नहीं जाने वाली. तो 200 नंबर या 200 से ऊपर नंबर की कट ऑफ भी जाने के चांस है. ओके, सो बाकी देखते हैं क्यूमुलेटिवली पेपर लोगों का कैसे हुआ है. दे जस्ट नीड टॉप के सिर्फ 100-150 लोग. इफ़ यू इंक्लूड दी हाइड्रोजियोलॉजी एंड दैट वन, so we could say that only 250 people to 260 people they need for clearing the prelim stage. तो पहले जो वो होंगे वो चले जाएंगे अंदर मेंस लिखने के लिए. सो या बहुत अनप्रडिक्टेबल है, बट इतना श्योर है कि 188 से लेकर 200 के बीच तक ही कट ऑफ रहेगी. उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकती है, कम होने के चांस नहीं है. ओके, सो ऑल्सो इस बार क्या हमने चीज़ फील करी, इकोनॉमिक्स आपको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो आपसे नहीं पूछी जाती. इट्स मोर फोकस्ड ऑन द साइंस पोर्शन एट्सेट्रा. ऑल्सो आपके करंट अफेयर्स के कम से कम मैं बता रही हूँ 15 क्वेश्चन आपके करंट अफेयर्स से थे. सो आपका फोकस अब शिफ्ट होना चाहिए साइंस की तरफ करंट अफेयर्स की तरफ, ज्योग्राफी की तरफ, ये आपका फोकस होना चाहिए डिसेंट मार्क्स स्कोर करने के लिए. हिस्ट्री अगर पॉलिटी आती है वेल एंड गुड है, आपके लिए तो एज है, पर ये चीज़ें हैं जिस पे आपको ज़्यादा ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है. पेपर का एनालिसिस तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट आई एम दैट केपेबल टू डू द एनालिसिस ऑफ द पेपर बिकॉज आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग. हालांकि चैनल्स आर देयर, so they will let you know the answer key, the predictable answer key that they are making, or um, everything in explanation. So there are channels like Geodestination and Geology Concept. GeoKhan is also there. So good, we have good number of. Planet Geology is also there. So we have good number of coaching institute that will release the key. Match the answers if you want to, otherwise you will know what is the result after some days. So what I have been planning is so I have made the PYQ videos for the CGSC paper. Now we don't know what will be the output, well, whether there will be mains or there will be another attempt of this in next year. So that is a very tiring journey. So what we have decided is we'll make small concept videos of the topics that no one has touched. We have surfed the YouTube. There is a thing that to teach people in a professional way the topics that were low key, not available, like there are all of the subjects are not thoroughly available on the YouTube channel in a very thorough way in which you can write your mains paper. Okay, so it's not like that. So we have decided that we will release the subject type series. How come? Like we'll keep in mind the paper is this only, so syllabus will follow the religiously this one only. So we'll start with physical geology, like topics which were written over there, and then we'll learn each thing about them. Small notes. I will try to provide the small notes to you guys, if approachable. Otherwise, you have the videos. You can pause the video and you can write your own notes. So yeah, notes is not an issue. The issue is to just learn things in a broader way. So yeah, that is something that I've been planning to release. And also thank you so much for all people who watched the YouTube videos, and apparently they had told me that they had watched it and it has helped them, especially the paleo videos, and many videos are there, so they just follow this PYQ series and it helped them to do some questions and to get the edge over what is they really they're asking and what we need to cover. So it's like that. So thank you so much. And they have also requested me to keep posting because it really helps to keep in touch. And I would request you guys to spread out this channel, because I know that if the content is good, it will get spread out by itself only. But I want you people to inform the other geology students around you so that it can help them as well. Okay, so yeah, that is a request from my side as well. So with this, I'll end this video, and I would make another videos subject related topics. And for that, I need to learn some editing skills and etc. Because teaching on a pad is okay, but teaching in a graphic way is different. So that requires time as well. So with this, I would say have a good day and take care.